Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scholar in Marketing. Today, I want to go over how to create a quick post through the social posts in campaigns. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we are logged into the command platform at agent.kw.com. And then we want to head over to our campaigns applet. Now, if you're not sure which one, it looks kind of like a megaphone. You can hover over those to find it or expand that bar by hitting the red and white KW. But again, we're going to head straight to campaigns. And since we're doing a social post, we do want to be under the social post. However, you can see right here the quick posts that I'm referring to. So you could do this right from this screen here. Now, quick posts are quick little posts that are already created through Keller Williams International, where you can quickly hit that share button and use their content and text to go ahead and make a post. Now, you can also click the shuffle button to view different quick posts that they have. It will kind of swap those out and show you the various different ones. You can also view those under social posts. They'll be able to be viewed over here on this side. Again, you can still shuffle those and view the various different ones. From there, if you click this little arrow, it's going to go ahead and let you share that post. It's going to have all of your content, emojis, text, media, etc., and let you go ahead and share those. Now, you can also select your profiles that you'd like to post them to. So the options for social posts are Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you have those connected. And it will show you a preview over here on the right-hand side of each of those different platforms, so you can view in real time what that will look like when it's posted. Now you can make edits to this if needed, based on anything you might want to add or remove. You can also go ahead and include your ownership statement that each office is independently owned and operated. As you can see, it applied that to the bottom of the image. Then we can go ahead and add our logo for the Market Center as well, and that will apply that to the image. Now, once those are added, you can go ahead and schedule that post to go out at a specific date and time, or hit publish immediately, and that will go ahead and post to those platforms right away. Now I'm going to go ahead and schedule this for, I'm just going to do next week, and I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule post. It's going to give me another preview of those posts so I can check them out, make sure everything's good, and then go ahead and schedule. Now from there, it's going to bring me out to my dashboard where I can view my upcoming posts. Now I scheduled this for the 20th, so I would need to fast forward a week. And as you can see, I can see that post right here for Thursday, June 20th, scheduled for the two platforms and which platforms it's going to post to. Now, once we're all set there, we're all done. Those posts will go out on their own. There's nothing else I need to do. So that is the end of our tip video today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at support@scotlandmarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a great day.